Hey, are you procrastinating about an important health decision? Maybe it's getting on a diet, maybe it's starting an important health routine, maybe it is adding a food rule or adding some volume control restriction or adding something that you do every day to improve your life, like having more vegetables or fruit. If you are procrastinating about this, if you are waiting for a guru to come out with the perfect diet or the perfect philosophy, if you keep on saying the grass is greener on the other side and you're just jumping from diet to diet, this is the video for you. My name is Dr. Glenn Livingston. I'm the author of Never Binge Again, and I'm here to help you stop overeating, stop binge eating, and reprogram yourself to think like a permanently thin person on the food plan of your choice. Well, my friend Walter Schnecker, who's the world's best photographer, has a saying. He says, hey, the Diem ain't gonna Carpe itself. It's a take on the famous phrase Carpe Diem, which means seize the day. And you're supposed to seize the day because the day ain't going to seize itself. If you want to stop overeating, if you want to take that step up, then the moment that you have that thought is your moment of opportunity. Now, there's always that other voice in your head that says, well, you can't do it because of this, and you can't do it because of that, or you're going to be too deprived, or you're not going to be able to sustain it, and you fell before, so you're going to fail again, and there's that awful voice inside that just goes on and on and on. But the truth is, the day ain't going to Carpe itself, the Diem ain't going to Carpe itself. We have to seize that moment of opportunity. And it's only in those moments of opportunity that we realize that we are responsible. We can't hang around waiting for another guru to show us the perfect diet. We can remember that there is no failure except in the grave. So if you seize the day, if you jump up and try the diet or try the food rule or try the exercise routine, you win as a result of having tried. You win as a result of having tried. If you make a mistake, if you fall down, you just get up and do it again. If you make a mistake, you're not supposed to beat yourself up and drive you crazy. Just like if you touch a hot stove, you're only supposed to feel pain for a couple of minutes. You're supposed to pay attention and figure out how you touch the hot stove and avoid doing that again. But you're not supposed to compulsively drive yourself crazy and talk about how pathetic you are and you must be a compulsive hot stove toucher and you might as well just put your whole hand on it. That's crazy. That is crazy inner food demon talk. That's your inner slacker. That is not your constructive self-talking. So you don't have to be afraid of that. You don't have to be afraid of seizing the moment and trying this new food rule because you're going to feel too guilty or you're going to fail because you failed before, and if you fail it means that you're a failure. And that's all crazy talk which is intended to wear you down so that you will binge again. That all comes from your fat thinking self. That all comes from your destructive inner food demon. So the day ain't going to Carpe itself. The Diem ain't going to Carpe itself. Seize the day. If you have the passing thought that maybe you should add this thing, or maybe you should get to the gym, or maybe you should go and start this project, try to seize the day. Try to make the most out of that opportunity, because the more moments you seize, the more your life has meaning, the more progress you make towards losing weight, feeling great, stopping overeating, stop binge eating, and reprogram yourself to think like a permanently thin person on the food plan of your choice. If you'd like more help from me and my team, please click on the link in the description below, and be sure to subscribe to the channel because we have all sorts of additional videos coming up with all sorts of answers to perplexing problems. Click the link below, click the link below, click the link below. Thanks.